Okay, so guys, hello. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the ecosystem, our marketing ecosystem, basically the structures that make up the SC Partners community. Now, of course, I'm going to pick out the individual groups, what they are meant for, and then other tools that are available at our disposal. So I'm going to start with of course, the announcement is just for announcements, general announcements. You get it? Is the admin is not important. Any important announcement comes to individuals. You get it? So that's the announcements group. And then the next one I'm going to talk about is the general group. The general group is actually meant for all the affiliates, all the sales partners. You understand that affiliates, we call them sales partners. So all our sales partners, that is the individuals that belong to all the activation groups, everything, people that participate in it. So that is actually what the general group is for, for information, a special announcement for affiliates, and some other things like that. You get what I'm trying to say? So so that is actually what the general group is meant for. So if you have particular announcements, particular information that you feel is going to be useful to your own individual activation group, you copy it from there and then forward it to the place. Also, that is also the place where we are going to put some marketing resources, posts and stuff like that you can share on your platforms. You get it? Individually on the different activation groups, and also the individual sales partners on their own platforms of choice. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So after that, we have the specialized groups. That is actually where currently it's just the track listing. That's where we put the listings of properties that we want to sell and properties that we want to get. That's basically just where you get key properties like that. And then also the Lagos shortlists group. The Lagos shortlist group, that's where we actually put our shortlist and the ones that are currently available. Are you get what I'm trying to say? So those are the specialized groups. Now, if you have other products and services that you're going to be doing and everything, all of them will fall under the category of specialized groups. Are you get what I'm trying to say? So the next one is actually the facilitators group. That is, of course, where the facilitators are that's what we coordinate or administer the facilitators, special information, trainings, and stuff like that. You get it? And then the last one I'm going to be talking about is the activation groups. The activation groups that is where we help activate individual sales partners. So a facilitator is actually in charge of the activation group. So you make sure that is where you put information, you help drive sales. You get it? Drive the SA partners, that's the partners, for them to start posting, for them to start doing what they are supposed to do. You get what I'm trying to say? So the trainings are administered. That is where anybody that is not really moving, that is not really doing what they are supposed to do. You get what I'm trying to say? It is through the activation group that you do that. And the way, like I usually say, tell facilitators, I tell them that, look, you are in charge of your group. You manage it anyhow you want to manage it. And you get what I'm trying to say? So, and if you realize there's usually you have a fixed number. When you start a new activation group, we usually give you like 5, between plus or minus 5, between 2 to 5 people for you to start. And then it is the responsibility of the facilitator to fill the group with people that are serious. I get what I'm trying to say. So you get people in. Of course, from time to time, we can also transfer people into a particular affiliate group to help boost the activation group. To help boost the activities of the group. You understand? But it is the responsibility of the facilitator to fill up their facilitators for their activation group. And you get what you fill it up with people that are useful to your goal. And you get what I'm trying to say? So, for example, people that are, that, okay, they really want to do the work. Those are the people that you put in your group. Otherwise, if you just fill it up, because there's a fixed number between 20 to 50. And the reason why we have a fixed number is because we want to be sure that you are capable of managing the people that you have, because it's a one-on-one thing. And that's actually one of the major advantage of our own group, of our facilitators community, of our community as a whole. Are you get what I'm trying to say? So so you need to put people in that group, you get it, that are willing to, that are ready to, that they want to make money, they want to make that they are ready to work. Are you get what I'm trying to say? So you don't feel, for example, if you have 20 space, let the 20 space be people that are really ready to work, because when they sell, that is when you get your own commission. So if you put the place and then you fill it up with 20 people that are just sitting and they dormant, not doing anything, not contributing in the group, not contributing from the in their own individual space and everything, you're just wasting that spot. You can just report the person to us, or if you are the one that put the person, you can just excuse the person, and then we are going to know whether to transfer the person to another place or whether to just remove the person from the program entirely. Anybody can be in the specialized group, but only people who are ready to work will be in the general group and in the activation groups. You understand? So that is why that is very important. You understand? And in line with that, I'm going to just talk briefly about and also, so that is the activation group, that is the general group. We have other tools and resources, like our Facebook group, which is a public group, our pages and stuff like that, but those are for in-house use, but fundamentally these are the places that we actually get. And like I usually tell people, in the activation group, when you have your activation group, you as the facilitator, any sale that is made within your activation group, if it is for shortlets, you get 50% of it. For example, if somebody ends a particular individual agent gets 100,000 naira in commission, you get 50,000 naira. If you get 1 million naira in commission, you get 500,000 naira. That's for shortlets. Then you also get a percentage of the commission also for sales. You get it, and other products and services. So it is in your interest to make sure that as many people as possible sell in your activation group, because that is when you get money. Also, there's also going to be giveaway to other people in group, but that is based on discretion and what is available. I get and try to, but for the income of the stuff, if of the facilitator, that is how you earn. Are you get what I'm trying to say? As a facilitator, of course, you are supposed to be pushing to individually, but fundamentally, that is another stream of income for you as a facilitator. So that is the structure of how everything works. Are you get what I'm trying to say? The next one, we are going to go now into the marketing itself. You understand? And the marketing, how is marketing or promotion going to be done? So that is the next video that we're going to do, and that one is going to have like some part, maybe like part 1, part 2, part 3, because we need to break down our marketing. It's called marketing system. Are you get what I'm trying to say? The strategy that you're adopting, and on like that. Do you get it? So thank you all and have a wonderful day.